What's up guys, it's Phil and it's time for another update. So this week I don't really have a lot set up. I'm trying to kind of figure out where I'm at with my current built-ins, but I do want to try and get on a Monday through Friday schedule instead of starting every project on Wednesday and finishing it up the following Friday. I'd rather start it on Monday, have it ready for paint and possibly done by Friday, if not done by the early part of the following week when I'm starting my next built-in. So that's the goal that I'm trying to get to, and we will see if I actually get there or not. So I'm about to start another custom built-in, but before that I've got 1 or 2 days that I just want to kind of fill in to bump my schedule over. So as I finish out this week, I'm going to start on a couple of barn doors. I've got 2 orders for barn doors that just kind of came in randomly, and they're standard size doors, so I can actually knock these out pretty quick. The first one's kind of a modern style door. It's going in a bathroom, really big fixtures and nice, Swiss style hardware, nice chrome polished stuff, whatever. So I like that. That's a really cool idea. Plus the design of the door is super simple and really sturdy. So I'm excited to get started on that one. I'm going to go ahead and knock that out really quick today. And then I've also got another door that I'm doing that's going to be more of like a herringbone pattern or a chevron or something. She hasn't decided yet, but I'm sure she's going to let me know today. So I'm going to go ahead and start both of those doors and try and get them done at least to the finish part today. And then I'll probably end up painting the other one tomorrow if I'm able to stain that one door today. I don't know, it kind of depends. As far as installing, I'm not sure when that's going to happen. I know that the more modern door she wants like now. The other one I had scheduled for like a month from now, but since I'm doing it, I might as well try and get it installed as soon as possible. So I'm going to be doing that one as well, just don't know when I'll be installing it. And then on Monday I'm going to start a brand new custom built-in. It's in a model that I've done 6 or 7 times, and this exact fireplace that I've done 3 or 4 times. I've done 2 or 3 different styles of built-in, but this one is based off of another client who lives right up the road. They want the exact same built-ins essentially. So I'm going to go in and start working on that as well. And I know that's a longer project, but it should take me about a week to get it in. Have my painter come out on the weekend, and then I will get the doors installed the following week. So that's going to put me back on that Monday through Friday schedule I was talking about, and hopefully everything will be going good from there. cute. So I am a little farther along. It is Wednesday of week 2. However, I didn't want to do this, but I kind of have to, because if not, there's not going to be anything for the update. I am once again, not really behind this time. I'm just in a weird spot. So this is odd because I was doing pretty well, but now I've got a client who does not put down deposits, but she's done a lot of work with me in the past. She has not confirmed if she actually wants me to start this week or this coming week on her project. So I'm kind of stuck between maybe I'm working, maybe I'm not. What are you doing, Yoshi? But she doesn't put down a deposit, so if I don't end up working for her, then I just move on to the next client. But if I do end up working for her, I need to know so I can put her on the calendar and let my other clients know when their jobs are going to be coming up. So that's kind of hard right now. In the meantime, while I was waiting, I have started on some barn doors that I could go ahead and do in the meantime and just get those done and get them installed and get paid on those. So that's kind of nice. I'm also doing all of the cabinet doors for my current built-in, and I want to try and have that one finished up by Friday. Here's the kicker. That library and ladder that I just finished up didn't get paid on yet because the client wasn't really happy with the ladder. It wasn't exactly what she was expecting, what she wanted. And that's fine, I want my client to be happy, but it has taken a while to get the communication rolling and kind of figure out exactly what we're doing. So I've been doing these barn doors in the meantime, I've been doing my other project in the meantime, so hopefully I'll get both these projects done by Friday, I'll get both barn doors installed, and I'll get paid, and that'll be awesome. But we shall see. So in the meantime, I've been working on this ladder. I haven't done any video lately because I don't want to get behind, so I've just foregone the camera and just done what I need to do. But I will probably continue doing that for the rest of this update, so it may just be one more montage and then I'm done. Sorry guys, but I'm going to show you guys this ladder because it's pretty awesome. So this ladder turned out pretty awesome. I am pretty excited about the way it looks. I did like a bullnose with these 45-degree edges for all the steps. They wanted thinner steps, but they still need some support. So I went ahead and did a 1x2 underneath the topmost rungs and a 2x2 underneath the 6 bottom rungs for support. And those are supported through the sides with some screws, and then I've got some pegs holding those in place. This whole thing, I don't even know how to describe it. Modern, if it's mid-century, I don't know what the wording would be, but it's a really cool looking ladder, and I'm super excited about it. So hopefully they will like this one. She picked out this color, and it is almost done, so I'm excited to have that thing finished up. Go ahead and try to get it installed, hopefully before Friday, and get paid on both of these projects. So with that, I am going to get back to work and try to get these doors painted, try to get the rest of this stuff done by today, so that I can go ahead and finish out doing that work as well as some like little handyman side job that I've got on Thursday. So I have a very busy week and only 2 days left. So we'll see how this goes. Nothing to do. I got everything completed yesterday. I got the other barn door installed earlier this week. I got my big built-in finished up. I got the library ladder replaced and got all of that done yesterday. So it's Friday and I've got nowhere to go and nothing to do because I don't have anything to start any of my new projects. I haven't even communicated with the clients yet. So I've got a free day. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not taking the day off. I've got a ton of other crap to do. I've got to clean this shop up. I've got to get some stuff organized outside and clean up the exterior of my shop, which I've been dying to do. And then I've also got like a small Lazy Susan and stuff to do, just some like side jobs that I need to catch up on. Plus, I really want to get started on doing some of these side tables and using some of that old lumber that I've got in my corral. And that big table that used to be right here, I'm going to Shoshugi bond the top of it, and then I'm going to give it its first coat of acrylic finish and get started getting that thing done and out of here, because whether I sell it or whether I just use it personally, I just want it out of my way. So I've got a full day ahead of me that's just random stuff that needs to be done. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and finish this update right here. Guess what, guys? I'm actually on time right now. Part of the reason for that is because that big client that I was making so much room for and had set so much time aside on my calendar for has still not gotten back to me, and she didn't give me a deposit, and so I really frankly just don't care if I end up doing the work or not. It would have been good money, but waiting this long and having to deal with, you know, all of the stuff that she wants may not work out in my favor in the end. Now, if she does come back and say she wants to do the work, I'll be happy to do it, but as of now, it's been 2 weeks. I was supposed to start on her project on Monday, so if I don't hear from her, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my current clients and just keep going from there. So I am back on track. I'm going to get some small projects done and started today and this weekend and just have a blast doing it. This is the fun part of woodworking. This is me being able to just do what I want for the day. And that's kind of awesome. So I'm excited to do it. There's money in the bank, there's food on the table, and I'm going to go grab myself a couple of beers this evening and just chill out, have a good weekend, and get started right back on this stuff Monday morning. I'm going to start cleaning up. You guys don't need to see that because it's really boring, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys. I hope these updates are encouraging to people, or at least just moderately entertaining. If they're not, then why are you still watching? Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere else that there's social media. Actually, probably just those three, because I don't really do a whole lot of social media, but find me on there. Everything is at PMK Woodworking. Definitely check out Yoshi. His is at Chillest Shiba as well. If you want to see pictures of a dog just sleeping on the job site, maybe brighten your day a little bit, that's always kind of fun. If you want to help support my channel, click on those Amazon links. That's why I don't do advertisements and I don't have sponsors, because I'm really small and nobody cares. But I want to avoid doing the commercials and having you guys click away from every ad every 5 minutes. So until I get to that point, please, if you want to support this channel, go ahead and click on some of those Amazon links. Even if you're not buying what I'm advertising, use my link to get to Amazon, and I still get a little bit of advertising money from that. So please do that if you want to help support the channel. I am at 2,500 subscribers. Actually, I just passed 2,500 subscribers. So go on to any of my social medias and like that stuff on there. Make sure to follow and whatever else it asks you to do. Make sure you're subscribing here and comment on any of my videos. I'm going to be picking random people from each social media platform for my random stuff giveaway. This includes everything from handmade cutting boards. I've got a skateboard in there that I'm going to be giving away, some pens that I've made, all kinds of cool stuff, and I'm going to pick the people and the prize at random. So go ahead and get on that, because I'm going to end that contest at the end of this summer and just give a bunch of crap away just for funsies. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been awesome. I enjoy this, and I hope you do too, and we will catch you guys next time.
We'll see ya.